What's going on, all my Blade Runner subscribers? Trying to get in the frame, sorry, on the trailer. Things are a little cramped. But today I made a new purchase, and I've been making money doing it already, but I had to make this purchase to be able to continue doing this, and it's been a good source of money in the slower days. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. It could help you out as well if you're interested in doing this, that is. This is very hard work. Alright y'all, so I went to Home Depot and picked this up today because, well, I needed a better one. My Remington was just, it was a piece of junk. Don't buy cheap off-name brand chainsaws. You'll just end up regretting it. So first we got some chain lube and bar oil. That's your essentials. And then under that, we got some Echo Red Armor Premix 50-1. I figured I'd just put some of this in there for the first few rounds, keep it clean, all that. So the main purchase here is this Echo CS 310 chainsaw. Now, I'm not entirely sure where this box opens, so let's just try and get her open. Okay, we got the box open. That was way more challenging than I expected. So here you got your operator's manuals. You got your multi-tool. I forgot what these are called. A wrench. Just get the spark plug out, make adjustments. And I'm assuming this is to tighten and loosen the chain tensioners. Now, let's get into the whole point of the video. Okay, so the first thing that comes out, free bottle of Echo oil. Can't ever go wrong there. Put that in here. Alright. Here we got some chain tensioning stuff. All your warnings. And here's the chainsaw itself. Oh, I can't wait to use this thing. Echo CS 310. So let's see, it felt like there was one more thing in here. Nope, I was wrong. Alright. Alright you guys, I'm gonna get this all set up and then cut a few logs and I'll give you a first impression. So stay tuned. Pieces flying everywhere. That's okay. Put this one more. Sorry, I was rudely interrupted. We're gonna try this again. Basically, y'all can see where this is going. The stack is growing. But yeah, the key to splitting the wood with the wedge is if it doesn't get stuck, you know, is just dropping it pretty much straight up and down on there. That's the easiest way to get it to split. Most people just swing with all their might, but they end up missing. So it's much easier to just use about half effort and get a good clean cut, and it usually splits pretty well if the wood has seasoned up well. This one should split pretty easy because it's seasoned up. Easy like that, and then you can still get, you know, 3 or 4 pieces off of it at least. Yeah. Just like that. Perfect size. Throw it on the pile. And you can still get, that kind of flaked up there. Cut this in half right here and still get 2 good pieces. Pretty sure y'all have caught on to what's going on now. Alright y'all, so this was to show you what I got and my first impressions on it. I'm absolutely loving it. Cuts like butter. Definitely going to speed up the process. Soon enough I will have a manual log splitter and this will start going a lot faster. But this is mainly to show you what I'm doing on the off season and also to show you the new purchase. I'm blown away with this Echo. It cuts so well. It cut that red oak like butter, so that's pretty surprising. I'll show y'all a picture of the full stack once I'm done. I plan on doing a lot more. This camera is about to die though, so I figured I'd make a short outro. Hope you guys enjoyed this video on the Echo CS310 unboxing, first impressions, and my snap crackle pop firewood business. So y'all stay tuned for more firewood delivery videos. Alright y'all, so here's the pile I got started. Made quick work of it. I mean, that's up to my ankle, a little bit higher. This Echo is cutting like butter. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you all what I've started to do on the side a lot more since the lawn care stuff is going out for the season for now. Alright y'all, just wanted to give you a final look because it's getting dark and I don't want to piss my neighbors off anymore, but got a good little stack done right there. About half a truck bed. So yeah.